Hi friends, in Krishna's Rasoi today we will be cooking liver fry. For this we require chicken liver, turmeric powder, jeera powder, coriander powder, garam masala, curry leaves, red chili powder, ginger garlic paste, chopped onion, salt and refined oil. In a non-stick frying pan we add around 6 tablespoons of refined oil. If you are using a normal cooking pan, you can add around 8 tablespoons of oil. For this recipe, we are using around 250 grams of chicken liver. So the masalas which we will be using in this recipe, the proportion of it is according to the recipe for chicken fry. So once our oil has heated properly, we add the diced onions to it. After which we add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. We have used 1 large onion here. Once they are cooked properly, we add the chicken liver to it. We have already boiled the chicken liver in turmeric and salt so as to clean it thoroughly. Also, when we boil the chicken liver beforehand, the cooking time gets reduced. Friends, be very sure to clean the chicken liver properly. Otherwise, it might not be good for your health. So now we have added a tablespoon of salt, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and now we mix it well with the liver. We'll be cooking this recipe on medium to high flame. After this, we add a little more than 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. You can alter the proportion of red chili powder according to your taste. You can also add green chilies to it. To this we add a teaspoon of jeera powder, and a teaspoon of coriander powder. You can use a little more than a teaspoon. And now we need to coat the masala properly onto the chicken liver. Friends, it is very important for you to allow the masalas to get cooked properly. That holds good for any recipe that you are preparing. You need not undercook or overcook the masala. That is the reason we generally cook our dishes on medium to high flame, just to avoid the masalas being burnt. Now we add just a cup of water, a small cup of water, so that the masalas blend properly and get infused into the chicken liver. I've added around 100 ml of water. So don't worry friends, the water will get evaporated and we will get our dry chicken liver. I've added water just to ensure that the masalas get coated properly. So one thing that you can notice is that Indian spices are very aromatic. So it's up to you what mix of spices you wish to have. So once we have allowed it to cook in its steam for around 10 minutes, we open the lid, and to this we add a few curry leaves. You can also choose to add coriander leaves. Since I had curry leaves, I am adding the same. You get a wonderful aroma once you add coriander leaves or curry leaves to any particular dish. And lastly, we add a teaspoon of garam masala and mix everything for the last time well. So you need to mix this for around another 8 to 10 minutes. You can do a final taste check just to see if the proportion of the salt and other masalas is properly done. There you can see the water has evaporated and we are left with beautiful chicken liver fry. This recipe is very easy to cook. Please try this recipe at home and do not forget to leave a thumbs up if you like the recipe. Also friends, if you haven't visited our channel earlier, please watch the previous videos. We have around 12 to 13 other recipes put on, which are very easy to cook. And for our existing subscribers, we thank you for your continuous support. There, our chicken liver fry is done. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Krishna's Rasoi.